Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to find the center point of an image in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already opened this file or document for anything. Then go to View tab, find New, click, and first of all use horizontal. Then 20, sorry, 50%. Hold Shift, click percentage or press number 5. Then OK. And again go to View tab, vertical, hold Shift, press number 5. Okay, now we can see this. Find the center. Another way to find center, press Ctrl T or show transform. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.